right, we're here at IMTS 2018. There's a lot going on out on the show floor. We have a lot of partners that we're working with here at the show. So we're going to head out and take a look and see what's going on in some of the booths. Let's go. So we're here at Dan DeMajor and Datron. Dan, what are you showing off in the booth today?
We're showing off our next control on all of our machines, large and small format. And we're also showing off this aluminum longboard we program with Mastercam. So all of these pockets we use dynamic milling for, as well as the profile cut. That, combined with some of our cutting strategies, we were able to cut our cycle down significantly, down to 1 hour and 20 minutes for this.
Beautiful. So have you gotten on the board and tried it out yet?
I haven't, personally, but I think my kids are going to enjoy it very much.
Thanks a lot. Have a great rest of your show. So we're here at the Enshu booth, and I have to say these guys have the heaviest business cards I've seen yet. If you look down here, I'm not taking one with me to put in my wallet. Let's go in and talk to Jeff Dahm. All right, we're here with Jeff from Enshu. Jeff, how's the show going so far?
It's been going really well this year. We're really happy with the turnout.
Good, good. So what do you have showing at the booth today?
Well, behind us here we've got a WE30V with 5-axis, and we've got a BT30 spindle with a big plus taper. This lollipop tool that we're using to cut with has turned out pretty good. Dave Miller from your company came over and helped us create some tool paths that created some really nice motions to show off our machine's capabilities.
All right, great. Well, I'll let you get back to work. You have a good rest of your show. I'm here at Hardinge with Chris Portzer. Chris, how's the show going for you so far?
It's going pretty good. Been extremely busy. Looks like manufacturing's taking an upturn, so glad to see that.
What do you have at the show? What's new?
This is a brand new platform for us. It's a V-Series 1320, little bigger X travel than our popular V1000 machine. Offers twin ball screws in the Y-axis. Really a good basis for heavy machines and really good accuracy with cylindrical holes and things of that nature. Brand new product, hopefully release in this coming January.
Great, okay, so what are you running on it right now?
We got a huge block here, 2,200 pound block of steel, and we're making a structural part, machining the part, taking it back off and remachining, just really showing the capacity of the machine, the performance, the power.
Tell me a little bit about what tool paths you have with Mastercam running on this piece.
Yeah, we got a nice variety of tool paths. We're doing some standard old school pocketing, but we're also doing some the new dynamic with HEM milling and just some heavy profile cuts, a good variety of different tool paths.
All right, that's great. Well, listen, have a great show. We'll talk to you soon.
Thank you.
Thank you. So speaking of partners, we're here with Pablo Huffaker of Gravedigger fame. It's actually in our booth signing autographs. We're breaking into the autograph line for a minute so we can say hi. How you doing, Pablo?
Man, I'm doing awesome. I'm just having an incredible time here this week, at the IMTS show, checking out all the awesome machinery and all the tooling, and most of all, visiting with you guys.
Oh, great. And tell us a little bit about what you do with Mastercam in the Gravedigger shop.
Well, back at my shop, I manufacture just pretty much every single machine component that you'll find on a monster truck, and whether it's the shock absorbers, spindles, gear drive components for the engine, you name it.
Well, that's great. Thank you very much, and we're going to let you get back to the autograph, so we'll talk to you later.